Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check Accenture application status. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your browser and type accenture.com. Over here, if you are in the USA, use the specific URL for your region to land on the correct page. After that, on the home page, click on the option labeled Access Application. Then you will be redirected to a page with three options. Over here, select the option for recruiting candidates, sign in, then log into your Accenture account using the email and password associated with your application. Over here, once you sign in, navigate to My Applications where you can view the status of your job application. If your application is not yet submitted, you will see an option to continue and complete it. Over here, click on Continue Application, finalize the details and submit it. After that, you will see the update status as pending or depending or another status depending on the recruiter's review. So that's how you can check the status of your job application on Accenture. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.